Hi everyone, today we making a simple and quick nachos recipe. The ingredient we're using today is cheese, about 3 cups of cheese, shallot, half cup, lime juice, 1/4 cup, tomato chop is about a cup and a half, 1 clove of chopped garlic, 1 cup of green onion. We're gonna use some maple syrup. This is about 2 cups of ham, and this one pickled pepper, about half a cup. And we have here is and a must-have ingredient is the corn chip. We use this one, this brand. All right, let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna make the salsa. We're gonna add in the shallot, and the garlic. After that is the lime juice, half teaspoon of salt, and pour in all the chopped tomato. And now we have the salsa mix. Now we're gonna put it on the side and move on to the next step. Okay, now in a baking pan, we're gonna add in the corn chip, the tortilla chip. After that is the cheese. I love when the cheese is melt and it stick on the cornbread. The more cheese, the better. 1 layer of the corn chip and then cheese, and then we can add some salsa mix. Yeah, it's ready! Wow, it looks so good! I want to eat it straight now!